And we shift our focus to the water crisis in the national capital, which continues to remain severe. The Supreme Court, remember, had directed the Himachal Pradesh government to release 137 cusecs of water in surplus to resolve the drinking water crisis in Delhi. It had also asked Haryana to do the needful to facilitate water flow into the national capital. State Water Minister Atishi has visited two sub-canals of Munnak Canal and Bhavana Water Treatment Plant for inspection. My colleague Arzu Seth with us on the broadcast. Arzu, if you can take our viewers through the details of what really is the update from the Delhi government as far as the water crisis is concerned.
Well, Devika, there has been, a massive heat wave in the national capital. Amid that, there has been a major water crisis that the Delhi people are facing right now. And in between that, the government trying to, find the solution of it. And the state water minister, Atishi, today visits two water sub-canals of Munnak Canal and Bhavana water treatment plants to take the stock of the preparation, to see the water management there. But if we see, the Supreme Court has in fact intervened in the matter and also, said the Himachal government to release the water for the national capital. And, the Himachal government has said that they are ready to release the water, but it has to go through the Haryana, and they are raising the objection regarding this. But the Haryana government has said that, Himachal himself doesn't have such water, and they himself are going through the water crisis. So, continuously we are saying the blame game is taking place regarding the water crisis taking place in the Delhi government, as BJP in fact saying that the situation right now is prevailing due to the due to the negligence of the Delhi government, and they have not prepared, they have not done anything before to meet such a water crisis here in the national capital.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.